Today we are going to be making gluten-free banana brownies. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We are going to start by adding 1 banana into our bowl. Then we're going to take a fork and mush it up. Then we're going to take our bag of brownie mix and add it into the bowl. Then we are going to add 1/4 of a cup of room temperature water. Then we're going to crack 2 eggs into our bowl. This is what it looks like when all the ingredients are in the bowl. And now we're going to take a whisk and mix it. You're going to mix till there are no more chunks. Okay, and this is the final product. Okay, so now we're going to lightly grease 2 9x5 inch pans. Now we're going to pour half the batter in each pan. This is what it looks like. Now we're going to put it in the oven to bake for 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. They're done, so let's take them out of the oven. And this is the final product. It looks amazing. Thanks for watching.